Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something that pops up all the time online, the promise of free Robux.
Ah, yes, the ultimate lure.
Specifically, we looked into Bloxforge.com. It's one of those sites promising Robux just for your username. Select the amount, hit generate.
And their big hook is no password, no download, no catch. Sounds perfect, right?
Almost too perfect. So, our mission today is clear. We've got the investigation findings, and we want to show you exactly how to spot this kind of thing as a scam fast.
Right. You need to know the specific red flags we found. Let's cut through the noise.
Okay, so first things first. Who are these folks? Looking at the background, the site itself is incredibly new.
Yeah, the sources confirmed the domain bloxforge.com was only registered in 2025. It's very recent.
Wait, 2025? That takes like 5 minutes to register. If they're legit and handing out value, you'd expect some history. Why hasn't Roblox shut them down if they just popped up?
Well, that newness is actually insight number one. It often signals a sort of burn and churn approach. Scammers pop up, grab what they can.
Data, usually.
Exactly. Data, clicks. Then vanish before they get flagged or shut down. They just reappear later under a new name.
Okay, so disposability is built in. That links to the next thing, right? The total lack of, well, anything about them.
Precisely. Zero transparency. We're talking no About Us page, no privacy policy, not even terms of service. That basic stuff.
And crucially, no way to contact them. No support email, no chat.
Absolute none. No contact page at all. For any real platform, especially one claiming to give stuff away, that's not just an oversight. It feels deliberate, like a shield.
A big flashing red flag then. So, okay, they're not talking to users. Are they linked to Roblox officially in any way? Any connection?
Hard no on that. We checked Roblox's official site, announcements, everywhere. There is zero mention of Bloxforge.
So completely unaffiliated, just kind of hoping people assume they are.
That seems to be the strategy, impersonating legitimacy.
Right. Now this brings us to the core test. Investigators actually tried it, didn't they? Put in a username, clicked generate. What happened?
This is the key finding. The site immediately abandoned ship. It didn't even pretend to generate Robux.
Stop.
It redirected them instantly, sent them off to a totally different, really sketchy-looking third-party page.
Okay. So that's the real mechanism. Not giving Robux, but sending you somewhere else.
Exactly. Classic scam technique. The redirect is the product. They make money from those clicks, or maybe getting you to fill out surveys, or harvesting data on that other page.
But the user gets absolutely nothing. No Robux.
Nothing they promised.
Yeah.
Just potentially spam or worse.
Okay. If this was even remotely real, the Roblox community is huge. They live online. Surely people would be talking about it. Reviews, forum posts.
You'd think so, right?
Yeah.
But we found basically public silence. We looked on Trustpilot, Reddit, Google, nothing. No real user review saying, hey, this worked.
For a site aimed at gamers, that quiet is deafening. It's statistically almost impossible if it were legit.
It really is. And get this, the site shows a YouTube icon like they have a channel.
Let me guess.
Click it. Error page. And zero footprint on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Nothing.
Wow. Okay. So fake social links too. That feels like the final nail in the coffin.
Pretty much seals it.
So let's pull this all together for you, the listener. Bloxforge.com shows every single sign of being a scam.
Yep. Brand new domain, suggesting it's disposable.
Zero transparency, no policies, no contact info.
No official connection to Roblox whatsoever.
And the core function, the generator, it's fake. It just redirects you to sketchy places.
Using sites like this, even just typing in your username, could put your data, maybe even your account, at risk. It's just not worth it.
Definitely not. Stay safe out there.
Maybe think about this. When you see these too good to be true offers, notice what's missing. It's not just the fine print like a privacy policy. It's the fundamental stuff: transparency, contact, reputation. They designed these things to be completely disposable from day one.
That's a great point. If the service they offered was real, why would they be planning their exit before they even start?
Exactly. That gap, that lack of commitment or accountability, that's what scammers rely on you overlooking.